Hello and welcome. Here we are going to create a Python program in which we will retrieve stock exchange data values from a website. These values can then be used in a Python bot application which will help in buying and selling by comparing these data values. So first we will import request to get data from the website, then we will import the beautiful soap module and import the time module as well. Start time, take the variable as start time and set the value the current time. So next we need a URL. I am using Central Charts website for this. So the URL is the Central Charts website complete URL. Then we will take a list, values underscore list, which we will have all the values of the stock exchange. Next is web page variable, which will get the request from the website. Then we will use the soap variable and pass the web page in text form, and it will pass through the website. Okay, let's print and see if it's working. Okay, we are getting the data from the website, that is central client. So some data is coming out, so we have to arrange and we need to get we need to retrieve the specific data, not the complete website data. So we will create a variable stock table. This stock table will have all the values or data which we will find through the website inside this div and class, which is already available at the back end of the website. We have to scrap it out. So we will find tab mini. Let's see, this is the class inside that div and it has all the data which we required. Just we have to assemble it properly. So we will create a variable tr tag list. Tr is table row. There are divs and inside that divs there are rows, table rows, and inside those rows we have the table data. So we are having table rows tag list, and we will take the stock table data and we will find inside it. There you go. This is table data which has all the values. So we will find the table data values and store it in tr tag list. Now I will make a loop for each table row tag data in table row tag list starting from 1 onward. And what we will do, we will create a table data tag list and we will assign it each table row tag list, find all, and what it will find, the table data. Okay, first we will find the table row and then inside table row we will find the table data. So you can think of it as a layered data, and values, it is of list type, and again we will create a for loop for table data. First we created the table row data, now we are creating a table data, and we have almost 7 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we need the 7 columns from this website. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. So from 0 to 7 we will dig out the tag. Now we will append this values into our row values, which is a list of course, and then we will append this value in our value list. So the new values will keep coming in this list at the end of this list. So once we get all the values, we will print these values and see if we have the values in it. Just print the values list. Let's run and check how is it working. Simply run it out and let's see. Save and run, and let's see if we have some data. Okay, we have this data. Look, this is the data we got from the website, and this is, there it is, the name and all the values in it. So we have to just modify a little bit. Okay, what we are doing, we are creating all values to be shown in a new row. There you go, each value is showing in new row. We have one table row data in one line, and it is repeating in new line. Let's see if we change the URL. Let's say we have some other URL, we change the URL, and what else we have to do for this? Let's see. Okay, we have to change the div class and class name or ID name, whatever it has. So we have what we have. Let's see, we have ID in this website, so we will look for this ID in the website source code, and we will run over this. There is the website, and let's run over here. When you search for the source code, you will have this ID inside div class. So let's see if we can retrieve this data as well. Okay, let's see. Let's save and run this one. Okay, there you go. We have this. We have retrieved this data as well from the other website, so the code is working, and this can be helpful if you want to create a bot for selling, buying, and doing something on stock exchange data. Thank you. Any queries are welcome.